Oh? What's the matter, Elly?
She does not approve.
Okay.
Flitter. Oh! Kill it, Elly, kill it. Oh, she kissing it?
Yes. Alright, you can have that one.
That's
Just
okay.
Don't chew it up.
Uh-oh, that's got red.
This one's red.
Oh,
I know
no,
you
it's
love
red.
Don't you love red?
She's like, no, this is my kill. This is my kill. Oh, no, Elly bird. What to do?
Make a bite that.
What to do? Oh, where did it go?
What's this? Do you like this? Oh, it's gonna get you.
Oh, no, she hates
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Is it over here?
red. She's so puffy.
Don't you like this? I'm gonna put it over here. Ah!
Ah,
It bit me.
you know she hates those.
Oh, yeah. The sun has come to give you a big hug. Oh.
Elly's cursing.
I'll give you a hug.
No! She laughs. Oh, be careful. Don't get mad if she bites. She screamed. Aw, almost done, Elly.
That's good.
Almost done, Elly.
I got a few more. Yeah.
Mike, you should make a cameo. Hi, guys.
Hi, Mikey. What do you think about this?
Is it food? That's all Mikey cares about is food.
Whoa.
He's a little chubby.
Shut it.
She's a little
Cut it out. Cut it out. Mikey.
Mikey boy.
Look at her. Look at her. She had bobbing on it.
It's one more. Oh
I
no.
need that.
Oh no, Elly, one more. Oh, Mikey came back to me. Thank you, Mikey. Give me kisses. Listen to Elly swear in birdie language. Oops, flitter. No more. Just fold it. I think you pissed off Elly enough.
Okay.
Oh, see, I
That's what I
told
was
you.
waiting for.
Let her.
Oh.
She laughed. Let her wrestle around in it. Let her be satisfied. Let her be satisfied. Oh. Nice mine. Kill it, Elly, kill it. That's an old babushka. She can wrestle it. Oh, yeah.
That was a nice flick of her wrist.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
This might be nesting behavior. Crisis averted. Is that? Does she want to do the most annoying sound in the world?
I don't know. Does she do that anymore? Ellie Bird, you want to talk to me? You want to tell me all about it? Do you want? Hey, you want to know what the most annoying sound in the world is? You know what it is? Do you know? Do you know what it is? Is it? No.
No.
No, she don't want to do that anymore.
No.
Oh well. Guess I'll fold this up.
Oh. No, she wants to roll around in it. I don't mind.
You can roll around in it. Here you go.
Oops!
I got her.
Say bye, Elly Bird. Say bye, Elly Bird.
Bye, Ellie Bird.
Towards the other. Elly.
Goodbye, Ellie Bird. Over here.